Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max on top UHF Channel 57 and Wazobia TV on top Channel 98 for Go TV. And this now the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show as it is hot. Every weekday from 10 to 11, don't talk Christmas as we talk. Sake of say, all of the action story when they come on smoke inside Nigerian political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, as the thing they hot, where. Give you license to chook mouth inside, talk them do anything be for body, so that those when the matter concern, go take the necessary action to move our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochokwode, and as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concerning political matter as it is hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to Tuesday's edition of that Ogbonge program. That political program with the at least giving a political activities where they happen for our Obodo Nigeria as it is hot. Today's matter still now like I don't know what now call it, whether na part 2, part 3, or part 4 of the $2.1 billion arms deal where we say right about now name more names and more names. They don't mention them. So then they part of this thing, part of people who share the money, part of people then give money to. Now what we go talk about today, and then we'll also open our phone lines when that time breaks so that our callers go feel call. Because this matter will not go allow and die. We go talk until our government find solution to them. Everybody they involved, at least they will bring them to book, say, yes, you were involved, and see your punishment servant. My name never see change. My name is Unkubi, and this is now as it is hot.
We not go waste time. We go straight to our topic of discussion. And this one get to do with the $2.1 billion arms money. I go call that money with respect because no small money. $2.1 billion arms money. When we say we earmark to take use by weapon for our soldier people, to take tidy Boko Haram Jaguda people, badness for inside the northeast. But some people can't decide, say this money, now inside their private pockets, the thing go enter. New revelations don't they come out as per some people when we say share inside this largesse. We go discuss all the latest gist when they inside. Who talk saying go return waiting? Who talk saying no go return? Who don't go on hunger strike? Waiting the EFCC they do? And the latest information when concern this one. The reason why we go continue to the talk now say, we don't decide, say this country belongs to all of us. And now time for all of us to participate in the process. I go speak English. Participate in the process. No more sit down look for inside Obodo Nigeria because now our hand is there to move this our country forward. Make we break them down. Everybody knows, say, as soon as President Muhammadu Buhari sit down for the office of Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Obodo Nigeria, he carry him finger, this one, chook for sand, put for tongue, raise them, go heaven, say, anybody when chop this country money, whether he there in party or he there another party, the person go face the music, that is to say, he go return them and he go dance the song when we say bad people, then they dance. They can set up committee to do investigation, and after the thorough investigation, they can come and talk say around $2.1 billion US dollars. That money no get Nigerian name and surname, no be naira, no be kobo, US dollars. Now he wear miniskirt, rub lipstick, koi shoe, come waka come out inside Nigeria account. Then later they come and see am for inside different people pocket. So people come out, come talk say this money when they see inside their own account. No be their fault, and then go return am. Other people see they do strong, get say the money when they see, they use and do something, and no be their business like that. New revelations don't come out. Chief Olufalaye of the Social Democratic Party, SDP, elder statesman for Nigeria, revelation come out saying collect 100 million from Chief Tony Aneni. He not talk say that money when he collect now from Chief Tony Aneni, so don't be from the office of the NSA. Even if he come from the office of the NSA, based on saying that Chief Tony Aneni and he collect them, he know they return the money because he collect them to use and support the candidacy of former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Oga Rashid Ladoja self, they don't talk say himself. See inside the money collect. Make we not forget Dr. Jim Nwobodo. Make we not forget Peter Odili and some other people will collect this money. He gets one man when they call Jafaru Issa, when be good friend, if you put on like that, of President Muhammadu Buhari. They talk say himself collect 170 million. But he come and talk say this 170 million when he collect. He no know say now this thing they won't use and do. Say then give and say make you use and buy property. But he don't return 100. They don't grant some administrative bail to go hustle for the 70 and pay them back. We go drop this talk. Una go talk. Una go chook mouth inside and talk am do anything be for body.
Chuko, the interesting thing about this TBC, we they talk say we won't fight corruption. And then if our corruption level don't reach this height, when I mean this hype, because I've been talking this thing for this thing yesterday on radio yesterday. Say, look, if a corruption level don't reach this high to the point where we say, then go give person money, say, take this money, do a particular thing. You can't feel say that money, the best place where that money go, they save for your hand. Now for you to share them among yourselves, put them from our own pocket, rather than that purpose where they say, make that money day for. Okay, this one we say, they don't even consider to say, okay, make we bring out half of this money. Even if not half, it's still there wrong. Even half of the money, we take this thing. We now carry everything from A to Z. Carry put for our pocket, share them. Until say, now the planners now come back to power, come continue the looting and the stealing of Nigeria money. In fact, anyway, don't have now if you say, now don't switch over to another party. Say, now don't they safe. Now never save anything, no. See, the law will still catch up with now. If not like when I go to APC from PDP, the law will still catch up now. Those money when I carry everything, now go return them. Now go return them.
No, they shine eye.
Why don't shine eye? Chikodi, no the time to shine eye. This never vex me. What's the meaning of that? Man, no shine eye. No. Nigeria not now shine eye, but now the passion we get for the country.
Which passion? You they carry? You want spoil camera? You don't do like this. Which kind of thing?
I am bittered about
which
this.
Which bittered?
This just let me the vex pass.
Why go the vex you pass?
No, because I mean
you supposed collect when they don't give you. Which one be bittered? Talk small. Make people they understand what they talk. You they do alike for camera.
They try to tell me if they give you from the money, you go collect.
Now you are the direct the question.
Why go direct the question to me?
Why go the share give camera?
Without this sincerity and passion, I don't show to Nigeria. Say even if one will crawl past me in front of me, I know even say I want touch and talk more of collecting.
You think say that bushmeat will they catch you when they look into hole when we say bushmeat enter? You dey shine like
see, please, the mood I take come over this matter, not just spoil my day.
Which mood you take?
That mood, please, I want you to bear with that mood. Make you enter that. That's the mood I don't enter that with me.
No.
So go we'll take address this
I
matter.
don't follow you enter any particular mood. Which one be mood? You just they do like they do. I
tell matter they vex me. No, they text me. I not to express myself. I am expressing myself based on waiting this money to don't cost for Obodo Nigeria. They tell me this thing. People will carry money, travel about where they break lot, carry money in cash, go. They go abroad. They short. Let me not even say anything.
You don't say anything. Maybe we can't talk within the EFCC talk. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, the Ogbonge joy body when we say their work now to fight against people when we say that they commit all this kind of fraud for inside government and just inside our Obodo Nigeria. They come out yesterday for talk with news story people. The acting chairman, Oga Ibrahim Mustafa Magu, come out talk say the EFCC say he gets some kind of things when we say they don't do to use ensure say it go dey difficult for people when chop money. To carry this money, use them, even take fight the whole process for court or keep them for their pocket, they enjoy this money, they go. They highlight so many things when we say, them as an organization don't do, to use checks, say, people when we say they do bad thing for government, they don't go get anywhere to hide. We dey very, very happy say our Oga President Muhammadu Buhari, when everybody agree saying a man of integrity, don't vow say this government must pursue corruption come up for inside our Obodo Nigeria. And the Oga of EFCC, the same song when Oga President they sing, Naimi also they sing. They come put out some kind of new information. News story people ask them say, why it be say all these things when happen under President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, that is our former president, but they never still arrest him. He come and talk say all the information and investigate what they don't carry now so far. Say every document when they trace to Oga President show say everything when Oga President talk say when they use this money do. Now say okay make una carry this money take buy arms when we go use fight Boko Haram. Say they never see anyone when we say Oga President using hand right say oh yeah this money we want use fight Boko Haram make una use and do this other thing like maybe campaign or other things like that. Now why you take use explain that particular one. And gist also come out say the Oga of the NBC, that is the Nigerian Broadcasting Commission, Oga Emeka Mba, say the EFCC people, they've been going in office, come tell them saying get talk to answer for inside their own office. As he reach their office, they're saying don't they answer the thing. They be like saying go answer the thing, answer them for a very long time because people will wait for them, say make him come out, he no come out. And this one they talk say it got to do with 15 billion naira fraud. 15 billion. I go swallow spit because that money plenty. 15 billion naira fraud. Our people went there for house. Fellow Nigerians, whether you there home or you there abroad, it's very, very important to make all of us they look this matter as Nigerians. Make we give EFCC the support to do their work. We know say somehow, because of all the old promises and it be like say fail, when no happen for government, people know they trust those when the government. But if our God president and this government don't talk say they go fight corruption, if the EFCC will be saying now he be the joint body when go help us fight this corruption, and we as Nigerians know say if we pursue corruption for this country, money when we go take use do good things, we go put them for inside the right thing. Make all of us collectively as a people, 160 million strong Nigerians support the government and the EFCC to use ensure say corruption we pursue and come up for inside this our country.
Yes, corruption, opposition, come out. Make you also bear, make you also look this thing. A couple of questions also come up when when we hold that talk yesterday, and then one person go ask, look, we don't they see say yes they try do it, they try and bring up people where they corrupt and all that, but if your blood we know they see result. Now the same if you also see within Oga Mangu talk, it also look you get some certain things way past them. Take their own responsibility now to just arrange people, say okay, see people who don't capture, now their own job end, and then the court, which is the judiciary, go take over from there. But just like say the judiciary on their own part, no, they fit meet up with the demand of Nigerians on top of waiting, on top of the cases where they don't file before them. So look, these people they will they carry money, and evidence is also say these people carry money. Okay, men are not I will take handle this case. You understand? So I come to ask myself, so look, say EFCC's job, say you notice say it's supposed to be more advanced, where we say they go even get more power to even say okay. Say the judiciary they agree to their work. Maybe they remind Nigerians or they remind the judiciary say this matter will never finish. Considering the fact they will get lots of issues where they pending for years. For years. When we say they never even revisit, they never even look. They don't sleep and enter on that carpet. And nobody they even talk about them. And these are still issues that we say when involve money certain in the people. Certain a lot of our leaders carry. Always they're supposed to take channel to development. They carry and put for their own pocket. And nobody is even asking questions. Nobody is even querying. Nobody is even bringing them to say, okay, see your punishment and see what you do. Make it face this punishment on top of her. I mean, and you know what you call the investment part of all this matter. Look the names where they involve. High profile names. So you say people who they look up to, the likes of Olufalaye, the likes of Attorney Aneni, the likes of what's his name? This one
Rashid
Ladoja. The likes of a lot of big Nigerians, Jim Wobo, they always say elder statesmen there. Now can't they involved for all this kind of thing? Can't even keep now not ask where this money comes from. Because in the first place, let us also ask ourselves because it's a certain question. You and I know very well, say, okay, if election they come up, constitutionally, we know say constitution defines say it gets certain amount where at least political parties supposed to spend
for gubernatorial
and presidential. Okay, this one they don't do very much away say this one when they collect the money from so now for presidential. Okay, and normally constitution talks say make presidency for entry they want to make it no pass 1 billion naira. But with the way this money can they go, with the kind high money when they collect, now ever from us ask questions say where this money they come from. And a lot of Natals they come out like the spokesperson for PDP where they this Olisamiti talk say he collect 400 million, say he collect for service where he render. What do you mean service where he render? Come tell us.
Exactly.
So, okay, if you did right about this thing, Nigerians go first speak for you, so okay, see what they say, and they can't investigate, can't see now true. But now you come talk say undisclosed service. What do you mean that service where he render? Where will cost 400 million?
No verse. But make we also break them down. The People's Democratic Party as a political party don't come out to come talk say time don't reach for Oga Presido to talk in own side of the story.
The former Presido.
The former Presido, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, to talk in own side of the story. Then come out, come talk say as a political party, the People's Democratic Party, they don't ask anybody to receive any money on behalf of the political party.
Chukudi, if they talk this, they say they don't ask. They want them to say these are members of one political party. They want them to say they don't know. They don't know aware say money they fly around.
But in truth,
money they call.
No, but in truth, if you check out, if we say people won't collect money, it's very very glaring. Say no be only people of the People's Democratic Party.
Obviously, yes.
Chief Olufalaye, now chieftain and leader of the Social Democratic Party, SDP. Oga Rashid Ladoja, now chieftain and leader
of the party.
Exactly. Now, if you can't look, some other people won't collect it. Even Jafar Ruisa, now chieftain of the All Progressives Congress. So somehow, if we buy into their argument, say people won't collect this money, they collect them for their own reasons. Okay, the former acting chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Dr. Halilu Bello.
But you could hold on.
Make I land when they carry go court. Now in company name, He used collect this money. Even Oga Olisametu, now in company name,
he collect
this money. So what we go talk, we say, okay, you use your company, Palm Power and Property Limited, according to Dr. Ali Rubelo, collect money. Wetin be the contract when they give you? Wetin you use and do? Oga Olisametu, Destral Investment Limited. You say use and collect money. Wetin be the contract when they give you? That way, we go come truly and really know wetin these people do and wetin dem pay these people the money for. According to Chief Olufala, he don't come and come talk to you clearly say, the reason why he collect this money now say he collect them on behalf of the political party, his own political party. Say no collect them for himself. Say now the reason I say they no get presidential candidate, and in order to support Oga Presido, former Presido Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, say they also say okay collect this particular money. But another question now say, if you know say this money where you collect now just to support this person, but Revelation don't come and say that money now from this money where our soldier people, our gallant soldier people, they take fight Boko Haram Jaguda people. What do you suppose do now to sharp return the money?
But you could even the National Working Committee of the PDP, they talk about this thing. Make it also bear in mind, say they make references to their members, say our members will collect money. I see they ask, say your members will collect money. This National Working Committee, and they part of this party, and they say they don't know say money they fly around. At least they will not say yes, certain money they don't share them somehow to members. At least for to bring back Oga Jonah, and this thing you know work. But then why to me I still have an issue with the National Working Committee coming out to tell their members say look, if no say your hand they're involved for this state, make na return them. I don't agree with that one, Chukudi. For me, I don't agree because all of now the same political party na day. I'm gonna say somehow the money go down circulate round. All these are saying now just an issue of say that they try to defend yourself when the sort already happened. When these things were flying around, we hear anybody come talk say if you know they're entitled to any money, no collect, nobody come and come talk. I mean, these are issues, very sensitive issues, where we suppose to, and may also bring that to Oga Olufalaye. A member of the political party will be Oga Olusegun Osoba. Come and talk, say, look, say, you know, they are aware of any money. Say, anybody will carry money, make it be, take his head, carry him. You understand that kind of thing? You understand? Now, tell you say, this same thing, somehow people, they try avoid their head, come out their head on top of everything that happen. Also say, you don't become national issue. You don't become such a way, say, everybody interested to see the end result. We get Oga Salam and Samali. Samali, they call us from Ojodo. Good morning, Samali.
Thank you very much. I'm enjoying your talk this morning.
Thank you, sir.
My contribution will be say, since when they set up EFCC, it be like saying EFCC is only a totally bulldog. What do I mean? It will even take person to court. How many people they don't jail? How many people whom they say they convict that are still in jail? Among the past leaders, governors who were jailed, who were taken to court, convicted, that are still in jail today. To me, I believe say all this talk with the talk say they chop money. Me, I don't support corruption. Who chop Nigeria money, na go punish them. But for me, it be like say it is all an attempt to run down the party which they now call the opposition party. That's the way I look at it. If you want say you accuse person, you don't pass judgment already. Now never carry the person go court. Make court say this is number of years when the person will go jail. You don't pass judgment already.
Okay, Samali, we don't note your important points, and we also they emphasize them on top of here. Say all of us for inside Obodo Nigeria, we dey subject to the rule of law. Our law pass all of us, so nobody go talk say because of what I feel or because of what I want to do. Now like this, it go be. Maybe we take this call from Oga Chukudi all the way from Owerri. Oga Chukudi, welcome to Asili Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
Good morning, Kudi.
Yeah.
Honestly, Chukudi, you don't talk the matter finish. The one thing remains. I have been expecting to see this government drag these people to court. Because all this while, we've been hearing from one side of the story. Let them go to court. By the time they go to court, if there is need for the court to subpoena the president, former president, to come, they will come. If there is need for a court to subpoena anybody, because this morning where we are talking now, former president said the other time that he didn't approve any money for anything. And this money must have gotten the approval of the National Assembly. It's a hard time we'll see the EFCC take these people to court It's not a function of you bring money, you go back to your house. Let us understand the true picture of all these things we are saying. Everybody is against corruption, no doubt about that. But it's a high time we see a lot of guys into jail. Those who are supposed to go to jail, they go to jail. If you say you did anything for the federal government that warranted the payment in your account, show us evidence. And it is only until you get to the court that we will not be able to know the true picture and position of this matter. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much. He don't dey very, very clear, say, no be our own to talk, say, this person, he dey guilty or he no dey guilty. You must take the person, go competent court of law, and that law, the court, now go look the matter, and after they thoroughly analyze the issue, they will talk, say, okay, well, this particular person, you dey guilty, this other person are discharged and acquitted. Oga Godwin, they call us all the way from Owerri. Oga Godwin, welcome to As the Hot.
Good morning. Nasagiola Godwin, the voice of reason, it is.
Okay.
All right. I want to talk, say, they all for the fight against corruption. But make it not be like, say, they one-sided. Make we know they celebrate arrest. Make we they celebrate conviction. We never see major conviction. Now, you said you friendly invite Metu, but you don't turn arrest now. If really in talk say or in admit saying get in collect 100 million naira, why I not believe for now because now APC, now only one APC newspaper, the reporter. Why you not give us evidence, signed statement, or the best thing to do now to charge this man to court. Through that court, we will collect our 400 million naira back. You don't need to come to tell us say he no admit that he no agree. He no fit tell Nigerians where he allegedly hold taxpayers' money, say he no go return our money. It's not possible. Charge this man to court. Now, why the family don't sue the federal government to court? Because you know, fit keep their son incommunicado. All this while, after 1 week, the thing with EFCC say they don't even get evidence or charge against some PDP stalwarts who they arrest. They did not arrest them, then go forcefully, one collect evidence from them. It's not possible. You know, expect a family to give you evidence, say you go use fight them. And the case of Jaffa, he did clear say na political movie, and if he say this man collect our money, look I think I say Jaffa collect 2 billion naira, in return 100 million naira. It makes sense. It don't make sense. I know even this in support of plea again. If you steal our money, return them, you punish you. The court of the land will still punish you. You will punish for them. The likes of the school don't go jail because of corruption. The likes of Shinawatra don't go jail because of corruption. Make we get major conviction. Make we know they celebrate arrest. And what is good for the PDP goose is also good for the APC Ganda. Make this corruption fight they spread across board. You get some APC stalwarts allegations, petition against them. EFCC never really puts eye into them. And they first fight corruption. Fight them with rule of law. Two wrongs can never make a right. You're not going to say they fight corruption. You on your own, in the process, you see they fail the rule of law. It's not possible. So if these people don't steal our money,
thank you very much. We don't get your point. And
you give them their 650 international passport. So they follow the transfer.
Oga Godwin, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't talk where we are now.
We get another caller on the line. Emmanuel, calling us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Emmanuel.
Morning, my chairman. When I do try.
Would they hear you right on?
Yes, I like our program.
Thank you very much.
Chukuri.
I dey hear you, Oga Emmanuel.
You know the Coco. The truth be said, since 1960, all those people don't know themselves up to today. They don't share the money thing, not be today. It's just like as you and your guys down there, so. If you dey for authority, you collect the big one. You dey give and come to chop. You go dey give press money, so they fight you. Make yourself enter that place. Make yourself to the give and chop. Now, what did happen with that? We don't be small begin for Nigeria. You understand? Even all this money when we dey talk them. You want the open eye like eye when we look for camera. You know go touch your pocket. You must work before you chop. So the system be say all of them they share the money right from day one up to today. So the APC, PDP, some guy we just make noise. Guy, they sabi themselves die. they sabi themselves.
Oga Emmanuel, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don make am dey clear say e be like say na RNG levels sake of say we na our people, these people na our own people, and they go do am the way wey the thing be. Quickly now, we go just rush enter inside one small market. When we go this market, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with all the latest gist inside the missing $2.1 billion arms money and all the cocoa wey inside the matter. No go anywhere. Now still Wazobia Max, Wazobia TV, and this now as it dey hot.
If una know say una just enjoy the video, they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.